Well, John, good afternoon to you. We're already seeing a lot of news out of out of D.C. and even right here in our state capitol, reacting to the SCOTUS decision. Just a few moments ago, Governor Roy Cooper sending a message saying, quote, "This is a good decision that curbs some of the power of Republican state legislatures and affirms the importance of checks and balances." Now, in that Supreme Court ruling, it was a 6-3 opinion deciding that state legislators have greater control over elections. Now, conservatives, they were arguing the independent state legislature theory that they interpreted as state lawmakers having the ultimate power to regulate federal elections. And their argument entirely hinged on the word legislature and determining that the framers originally intended for state lawmakers to have that much authority in elections. Now, it would have restricted the power of state courts to review certain election laws. Now, the justices ruling today that the North Carolina Supreme Court was acting within its authority and concluding that the map constituted a partisan gerrymander under the state constitution. Now, this morning, once this news came down, I had a chance to speak with legal expert Mitch Kokai to further break this down for us.
The bottom line of this ruling for North Carolina is practical impact, probably not a lot, but the long-term legal constitutional impact is going to be that as our legislature or any other legislature draws election maps in the future, their state courts are still going to be able to review those maps and make sure that the legislature complied with what their state constitutions say about how they have to act.
And I did have a chance to reach out to the North Carolina GOP. They are still reviewing that SCOTUS decision. They should have something shortly. And in terms of how best to interpret all of this, what really makes the difference here is that the state Supreme Court is a Republican state Supreme Court. So on one hand, you have a chance on how you can look at this and what this means. Mitch Kokai referring to it as a free reign of sort for Republicans. But if we go back just several months ago when when the state Supreme Court was democratically controlled, then you could have counted what happened today at the Supreme Court level out of Washington, D.C. It would be counted as a win for Democrats. We will continue to get further reaction on what it means for state politics here in downtown Raleigh throughout the afternoon and bring you latest reports on Eyewitness News at 4, 5, and 6. For now, we're live in downtown Raleigh. Dwan Hogarth, ABC 11, Eyewitness News.